Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the HUAWEI Band 10. And on our last video, we tried to download a watch face for this wearable as well as the custom watch face for our fitness tracker. On this video, we are going to focus on the dual clock, dual time zone for the HUAWEI Band 10. So there's a comment or a queries. So how to add, okay, asking on how to add a dual clock or dual time zone for the HUAWEI Band 10 watch faces. So on this video, we are going to have a demo of this feature and see if we can really add additional or another time zone on our watch face. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video, if you are interested to see on how the dual time zone works with the HUAWEI Band 10, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and apply a dual time zone on our watch face on the HUAWEI Band 10 watch face. So we have here a watch face. To be able to add a dual time zone or dual clock on your watch face, you have to look for the watch face with support for this feature. So this one, so there's no support for this one, especially this one. As you can see, there's no gear here like this, so there's no settings for this one. You cannot edit the watch face. So let's look for that. On the HUAWEI Band 10, the only free watch face for this is here. Let me show it to you. This one, okay? With this watch face, the Super Watch, with this dial, you can add your own dual time zone or dual clock. So just tap on this one, and as you can see, we do have some widgets here. Okay, so this one you can add your own time zone. Okay, so dual time, select, then pick a time zone. For example, let's see, I'm looking for the Canada here. So Western Indonesia, Bangladesh, we have it here, or US. So Central, Paris, London. Let's go to the US, Western Europe, London. Okay, we do have the Atlantic. Okay, let's pick this one, New York. Then tap on it, and we have here again dual time, New Zealand. I'm looking for the New York. We have London. Okay, Paris is also okay. And we have here, then let's see. Okay, so we have here the time for the Paris, as you can see here. Okay, some watch faces don't have this feature, although you can edit some of the contents. For example, this one, you can only change here the style. Okay, for other watch face, how about this one? Let's see. When you tap on the settings here, settings, you can change the style also, this one. Let's look for other designs. Okay, no, there's no option for this, as well as this one. Okay, so only few watch faces do have a feature to change the design or the contents of the watch face. So this is the one of the best so far when it comes to the free watch face section. Okay, if you want additional dual clock or dual time zone watch face, all you have to do is just go to the support app, Huawei Health, go to the watch face section. Okay, you can check here one by one, or you can just search it here. So we have here our previous search, dual time. The good thing about this watch face section for the Huawei Band 10 is that you can try the watch face here. You can check whether it has that feature or not before trying to purchase it. Okay, before you buy it. So for example, okay, so this one, I think it has a dual watch face, as you can see here on the top. Let's look for other designs. Okay, let's try. Okay, so this one, the analog watch face for the dual time. Let's pick a much clearer dual time option. Let's look. London. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's try this one. Tap on it. So we have the details here. Dual time zone. Urban time zone, zone time. So we can try this. You will be given 5 minutes, okay, to test the watch face before purchasing it. So it's now installing. And we have here, as you can see, the end trial is about 5 minutes, I think. So we have here the dual time zone. As you can see, the Paris. Change settings. For example, we want Tokyo. Okay, let's change Dubai. Let's try Dubai. Okay, as you can see, DXB, and we have the time in Dubai right now. Okay, so it's a pretty cool feature here. Very good feature for our Huawei Band 10. And as you can see, there's a lot of options for the dual time watch faces. Although they almost have the same style when it comes to providing the dual time or the time zone. Okay, except for this one. This one is okay. But still, it is a very good addition or feature here available for our Huawei Band 10. For those of you who have a family abroad or who loves to travel abroad, you can have the Huawei Band 10 and set it to dual time zone, so you will know the time in your country or the country that you are going to. Okay, so that's it for our tutorial for the dual time zone, dual clock for our Huawei Band 10. If you find this video useful, like, share, and of course, subscribe. Bye.